can be asked for 3 to 4 marks. Important question. In this it is given if x is positive and x square plus 1 upon 9x square is 25 upon 36. Then find the value of x. Yes? Mute the microphone. Find the value of x cube plus 1 upon 27 cube. So in this question we are given x positive. So whenever we take square root out of plus minus, I will consider plus sign because it is given x is positive. Is it clear? First thing, x is positive, x square plus 1 upon 9x square. 9x square I can write 3x square. 9x square is 3x whole square. 27x cube is 3x whole cube. So basically you have x and 1 upon 3x. You have x and 1 upon 3x. X and 1 upon 3x. So let us find this. So let us find x plus 1 upon 3x whole square. Use the formula. X plus 1 upon 3x whole square. A plus b whole square is x square plus 2 into x into 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 3x whole square is 9x square. We consider x plus 1 upon 3x whole square. So x plus 1 upon 3x whole square. First we have to find x plus 1 upon 3x. So I will consider x plus 1 upon 3x whole square. Now this is x square plus x get cancelled. Yes. 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 So now x get cancelled. This x and this x get cancelled. What is left? 2 into 1 upon 3. 2 by 3 is left. Plus 1 upon 9x square. 1 upon 9x square. So x plus 1 upon 3x whole square is, now we take these two terms together, x square plus 1 upon 9x square, x square, yes, mute the microphone, plus 2 by 3. So x plus 1 upon 3x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 upon 9x square. This value is given 25 upon 36. This value is given 25 upon 36 plus 2 by 3. Yes. We'll take LCM. X plus 1 upon 3x square is equal to LCM of 36 and 3 is 36. So 25 upon 36 plus, now this LCM is 30, so multiply and divide by 12 to get 36, 3 into 12. So x plus 1 upon 3x whole square. Yes. 25 upon 36 plus 24 upon 36. Now 36 is same denominator, not 47. Wait. Yes, mute the microphone. X plus 1 upon 3x square is 49 upon 36. Now this is square. Left hand side is square. So I will take square root. Taking square root. Yeah. See, now this time, wait. Not CAR. Wait. It will not be plus minus. It will be only plus because it is given x is positive. CR. This condition is given x is positive. So x is positive. So out of plus minus, I will take plus square root. So taking square root, x plus 1 upon 3x is square root of 49 upon 36. So x plus 1 upon 3x, the condition is given that x is positive. So I will take positive square root. I will not take negative square root. Yes, so x plus 1 upon 3x is 7 upon 6, and the reason is x is positive. X is positive, so we have taken plus sign. Out of plus minus, I have considered plus sign because it is given that x is positive. If that condition is not given, that x is positive, then we have taken plus minus. Now what is asked? Find the value of x cube plus 1 upon 27 x cube. X cube plus 1 upon, yes. So what I see, what I will do to find this, I will find x plus 1 upon 3x whole cube. To find x cube plus 1 upon 27 x cube, what I will do, I will consider x plus 1 upon 3x whole cube and use the formula a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube formula I will use. So that is a cube plus b cube 1 upon 27 x cube plus, yes, nobody will present. Nobody will present. Yes, right. Yes.
You are out of meeting.
Yes. All of you can hear? Wait. Now it is clear. Okay, yes. Where? Wait. Now we can. Wait. A plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab. So 3 into x into 1 upon 3x, then in bracket x plus 1 upon 3x. This is the formula a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube is, use the formula, a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into bracket a plus b. Now we substitute the value, x plus 1 upon 3x is 7 by 6. So 7 by 6 cube is equal to x cube plus 1 upon 27 cube plus x's get cancelled, 3 get cancelled. So 3x get cancelled, what is left? 1. 3x get cancelled, what is left? 1 into x plus 1 upon 3x is 7 by 6. So this side we simplify, 7 cube upon 6 cube. 343 upon 216. 216 is x cube plus 1 upon 27 x cube plus 7 by 6. Now I will take 7 by 6 on this side. 343 upon 216. 343 minus 7 by 6 is x cube plus 1 upon 27 x cube. No, we don't take reciprocal. We take this 7 by 6 on the other side. We are not taking reciprocal. We are changing the side of the number. We are changing the side. 7 by 6. Yes, only sign will change. No, number will not change. We are changing the side of the number. So, LCM of 216 and 6 is, yes, 6 into 36. So this I will write 343 upon 216 minus multiply and divide by 36. So 7 into 36 upon 6 into 36 is equal to x cube plus 1 upon 27 x cube. So 343 upon 216 minus, yes, this side. Yes, 343 upon 216 minus, to make denominator equal, so I will multiply and divide by 36. So 36 into 6 is 216. So multiply numerator and denominator by 36. So 7 into 36, 7 6 are 42, 7 3 are 21 plus 4, 252 upon 216 is x cube plus 1 upon 27 x cube. Now yes, so 91 upon 216 is x cube plus 1 upon 27 x cube, and this is the, yes, this is the final answer. That value of this is 91 upon 216. So such type of questions are important for 3 to 4 marks. Yes, if you can cut the common terms, you can cancel. If common term is not there, you have to leave there. So this question is important. Then another important question, question number 5. Such type of problems which I am marking important can be asked in board exam. Question number 5. If 2 into x square plus 1 is equal to 5x, 2 into x square plus 1 is equal to 5x, then find the value of first x minus 1 upon x, find the value of x minus 1 upon x, second x cube minus 1 upon x cube. If yes, first I will simplify. 2 into x square plus 1 is equal to 5x. So yes, that only we are going to use in this. Now let me solve this. We are given 2 into x square plus 1 is equal to 5x. So what I will do, I will take 2 on the other side. So this becomes x square plus, no. So what I am telling you, you don't, see, wait, let me explain. If you open the bracket, you will get 2x square plus 2 is equal to 5x. Then to get, you have to divide by 2x. You have to divide each by 2x. Are you getting? To get x, you have to divide each term by 2x. If you open the bracket, then you have to divide by 2x. Each term by 2x. But without opening the bracket, you are getting x square. So x square plus 1 is equal to 5x upon 2. So now divide each term by x. Is it clear? Are you following? See, if you open the bracket, see, I have not opened the bracket. Yes, I have not opened the bracket. Directly I have taken 2 on the other side. It is multiplication, so it will go in the denominator. Now divide each term by x. Divide each term by x. Because we want x plus 1 upon x. Divide each term by x. So what you will get? X square upon x plus 1 upon x is 5x upon 2. Wait, divide each term by x. So now there x's get cancelled. 1x get cancelled. So what is left? X plus 1 upon x. X plus 1 upon x is 5 by 2. X plus 1 upon x is 5 by 2. So in case if you are opening the bracket, then you have to divide by 2x. Instead of divide each term by x, you have to divide each term by 2x. If you open the bracket. Now we have got x plus 1 upon x. Now how we will get x minus 1 upon x? Use the direct formula. See, whenever you know the value of x plus 1 upon x or x minus 1 upon x, you can use the direct formula. What is that? X plus 1 upon x whole square. Yes. Minus, no. X minus 1 upon x whole square is equal to 4. Yes, this direct formula I will use. Whenever you know one value is given, x plus 1 upon x is given or x minus 1 upon x is given. Any one value is given, then I can find the other value by using this direct formula. This direct formula I will use because we know the value of x plus 1 upon x. No, this formula only you have to use. If you go by standard formula, one by step, calculation will become lengthy. So use the direct formula. because you have to complete the paper in stipulated time. That is more important. So x plus 1 upon x is given. We have found that is 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 square minus x minus 1 by x square is equal to 4. 5 by 2 square is 25 upon 4. I will take 4 on this side and this on other side. So minus 4 is equal to x minus 1 upon x square. See, when we change the side, outside sign changes. Inside sign will remain as it is. Bracket sign will remain as it is. Only outside sign minus become plus. When we change the side. So 25 upon 4, simplify. 25 upon 4, cross multiply 4 into 4, 16. Yes, 25 minus 16 upon 4 is x minus 1 upon x square. X minus 1 upon x square. So it is 9 by 4 is x minus 1 upon x square. So taking square root on both sides, taking square root, who said 3 upon 2? It will be plus minus because it is not given x is greater than 0. In this question, yes, plus minus it will be 9 by 4. We write plus minus square root of 9 by 4 is x minus 1 upon x. So it will be, wait, next step, square root of 9 by 4 I will write plus minus 3 by 2. 3 by 2, how 4? Square root of 4 is 2, no? So it will be plus minus. You have to be very much careful. If it is not given positive, you have to take both the sign, plus sign also, minus sign also. So our final answer x minus 1 upon x is plus minus 3 by 2. This is the value of x minus 1 upon x. So this has two values. One is plus, other is minus. So now let us find the other part. X cube minus 1 upon x cube. So for this first value, for x minus 1 upon x as 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2. For this value I will find x cube minus 1 upon x cube. I use the direct formula. Yes, what is x cube? No, see, out of plus minus I am taking first plus value and finding this. Then I will take minus value and find this. So 2 times you have to find. X cube minus 1 upon x cube, 2 times you have to find. One for positive value, other for negative value. Let us take positive value plus 3 by 2 and find. So use the direct formula, that is x minus 1 upon x whole cube, direct formula. Then yes, you can do that, no problem. But I will advise you use the direct formula which is given. So x minus 1 upon x cube, inside bracket minus, outside it will be plus. So 3 into x minus 1 upon x. This is the direct formula which I had given you. Yes, now let us put the value of x minus 1 upon x. Yes, mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. Yes, you can take x minus 1 upon x cube and do that. Who is present? Whose voice is coming? Yes? Okay. Let me not admit him next. X cube minus 1 upon x cube. X minus 1 upon x is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 cube plus 3 into 3 by 2. So this is 3 by 2 cube means 27 upon 8 plus 3 into 3, 9 upon 2. So x cube minus 1 upon x cube. LCM is 8. 27 by 8 plus LCM is 8. So this I will multiply by 4. 9 into 4, 36 upon 8. 36 plus 27 is Yes, fine. Yes, mobile. Yes, mobile it is clear. So x cube minus 1 upon x cube is 27 by 8. 63 upon 8. Yes. X cube minus 1 upon x cube. This value is 63 upon 8. And this value is for plus 3 by 2. This value is for plus 3 by 2. Similarly, I will take minus 3 by 2 and do the calculation. For x minus, no, directly don't put. If there is one term, then you can put directly plus minus. But there are two terms. So plus minus 3 will not work directly. So x minus 1 upon xs minus 3 by 2. Now, so for negative value, again I will find x cube. Yes, both the value you have to consider. Then marks will be cut. Then one mark will be cut. We want both the answer, no? Because both are the answer, plus minus 3 by 2. So let us write the same formula. That will be x minus 1 upon x whole cube plus 3 into x minus 1 upon x. Now we substitute the value. You can take x minus 1 upon x whole cube, no problem. You can take x minus 1 upon x whole cube. You will get the answer. Let me do this by this method. X minus 1 upon x minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 cube plus 3 into minus 3 by 2. So minus, see, inside bracket minus sign, power is 3. 3 is odd. So final answer will be minus 27 upon 8. And minus plus into minus minus 3 into 3, 9 by 2. Now take LCM of 8 and 2, 8. So minus 27 upon 8. Then minus 9 into 4, 36 upon 8. Minus 27 minus 36. Yes, minus 6. Yes, so x cube minus 1 upon x cube is minus 63 by 8. So now we have computed the value of x cube minus 1 upon x cube for both plus 3 by 2 and minus 3 by 2. When it is plus 3 by 2, answer is 63 by 8. When it is minus 3 by 2, answer is minus 60 by 3. So finally we write x cube minus 1 upon x cube is equal to plus minus 63 by 8. So at the last you have to write plus minus. For each value plus and minus you have to find the value separately. Yes. So this type of problems are important. So finally x cube minus 1 upon x cube is yes, plus minus 63 by 8. Mute the microphone. Is plus minus 63 by 8. Then question number 6 is same homework. Same question. Then question number 7. Let me write the question. If 3x minus 4 upon a, let me write the question first. If 3x minus 4 upon x is 4, then find the value of 27x cube minus 64 upon x cube. Find the value of this. Now you suggest whether I should solve this or okay. Yes. Now see, just now one of the students, she asked me to find the cube for x minus 1 upon x is minus 3 by 2. How you will find the cube? The same question I am going to solve by that. So question number 7 also you mark important. Wherever formulas are there, such type of problems 3 to 4 marks. 3x minus 4 upon x is 4. So first you identify the problem. This 27x cube is nothing but 3x whole cube, no? 3x cube. And 64 upon x cube is nothing but 4 upon x whole cube. 4 cube upon x cube is 64 upon x cube. So 27x cube is nothing but 3x cube and 64 upon x cube is nothing but 4 by x cube. So I will consider 3x, no, 3x minus 4 upon x whole cube. I will consider 3x minus 4 upon x whole cube. Yes, now use the formula a minus b whole cube. 3x minus 4 upon x whole cube. Use the formula a minus b. So a minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab. So 3 into 3x into 4 upon x, then bracket a minus b, 3x minus 4 upon x. Are you getting? The formula is clear? Yes, directly you will not get, no, because it is asked what is the value of a cube minus b cube. You can do directly a cube minus b cube. So 3 into 3x into 4 upon x. A minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So 3x minus 4 upon x, this value is given 4. So 4 cube is equal to 3x cube, 27x cube minus 64 upon x cube minus, now x get cancelled. What is left? 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 4, 36. Are you getting? X get cancelled. 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 4, 36. Into 3x minus 4 upon x is 4. So 36 into 4. This bracket value is 4 given. So 4 cube is 64. 64 is equal to 27x cube minus 64 upon x cube minus 144. Now minus 144 I will take it on other side. 64 plus 144. Yes, that is the answer, correct. 64 upon x cube. So 208 is equal to 27x cube minus 64 upon x cube. No, see, plus minus sign comes whenever we take square root. Whenever we take square root, then we see whether it is plus or minus. There we are not taking square root. Whenever I am writing, yes, this is the method of doing direct cube. So I have done by using direct cube. Is it clear? So a minus b whole cube is a cube. Yes, you can do in fifth same way. A minus b whole cube formula you see. A minus b whole cube formula you can use. Now let us do 8th one. See, so many problems are there. Covering each problem and completing the syllabus, you have to be very much fast. Yes, let me do 8th one. 8th one you mark very important. 8th one you mark very important. Yes, 8th one I will complete. 8th one I will complete in 3 minutes. Right. X square plus 1 upon x square is 7. Then find the value of find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square is 7. Find the value of 7x cube plus 8x minus 7 upon x cube minus 8 by x. Find the value of this. 7x cube plus 8x minus 7 upon x cube minus 8 upon x. Find the value of this. So what we want to find? We want to find the value of 7x cube plus 8x minus 7 upon x cube minus 8 by x. This is what we want to find. So we want to find 7x cube. Now minus 7 upon x cube and x cube I will take together. 7x cube and minus 7x cube I will take together, plus 8x minus 8 upon plus 8x and minus 8 upon x I will take together. And just rewrite. Now 7 is common. Yes, 7 is common. So what is left? 7 is common. So what is left there? X cube minus 1 upon x cube is left. Then plus 8 common. Then what is left? X minus 1 upon x. So this is what we want to find. This is what we want to find. We want to find this value. So to find this value, first we have to find what is x cube minus 1 upon x cube and what is x minus 1 upon x. These two terms we have to find and substitute their value. We have to find x cube minus 1 upon x cube and x minus 1 upon x using this given part. Is it clear? Yes. Wait. This. Yes, it is clear. Now let us find x minus 1 upon x. Let us find these two values you have to find. You want to find this. To find this means you have to find x minus 1 upon x and x cube minus 1 upon x cube. Wait, lecture is not over. I will take 5 minutes. Wait, I will take 5 minutes. I will take 5 minutes and come. Or see, I will. Or wait. Let me explain this part. X square plus 1 upon x square is 7. It is given. It is given. Wait, not by. So find x minus 1 upon x and x cube minus 1 upon x cube. Find this and substitute. So this further part I am giving homework. After this, 7 ... means given. I have written given. This is given. Now further part, you know how to find x minus 1 upon x and you know how to find x cube minus 1 upon x cube. Find these two and substitute their value. Find the no, further part I am giving homework. X minus 1 upon x you find. X cube minus 1 upon x cube we have found. We have seen how to find. Yes. All see, before leaving, send me your division and roll number in the chat box because attendance I am going to take. Yes, bye everybody. So further part will be homework. Yes. Bye everybody. Thank you. Don't exit.